Hi, I'm at Dynamic Physical Therapy. I've been coming here for a couple of months now. I have to say Dr. Isha has been extremely therapeutic in helping me with my knee. I had a total knee replacement, and I had come for knee replacement therapy. This is the place to come to. I'm sorry I never came here for my other health issues, but fortunately I'm here now. And I'm so grateful to the staff here. They're all wonderful. They take you on time. They're always checking in on your work. Anybody, again, any issues that you have, whether it's knee replacement, hip replacement. I've seen so many people come and go, and with their necks, their backs, their arms, people that could barely move. They've been here and they've been so compassionate, helpful, and understanding.
Dr. Jaya, how would you describe Dr. Nilesh Soni as a person, as a doctor, as a human being?
That is very difficult to tell about him. He is really very good gentleman and he knows what he is doing professionally. And I am coming here for the physical therapy. I had a knee surgery. So after that I came here for the physical therapy.
It's very strange to see a doctor coming to a doctor for treatment.
All are human beings. One day we all end up with some problems, so we have to see the doctor to doctor.
Dr. Nilesh Soni ji's की जो success story है, it's very inspiring.
Yes.
What kind of inspiration you also get out of it?
I, basically look up to him and I'm trying to follow in his footsteps so that I can become at least a part of what, we look up to.